Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and we've put together this short series of films to show you all you need to know about our D250 SE and SmartPass 120S DC-DC onboard charging system. In this film, I'll be showing you how to plan your installation easily and efficiently. Okay, first things first. Before you fit anything, you'll need to work out the best place to locate the units. For maximum performance, the system needs to be as close to the service battery as you can get it. Look for a cool place with good air circulation if possible, and pick somewhere that's easy to route the cables through. The longer the distance between the units and the service battery, the thicker the cables you're going to have to use to get the most power out of the system. So if you can keep it short, it'll help reduce the cost and the weight of the installation. Depending on the system you've chosen, you'll need cables between the starter battery and the SmartPass 120S, the SmartPass 120S and the service battery, the D250 SE to earth or ground, and the service battery to earth or ground. You'll also need some eyelet connectors. Which ones you use will depend on the size of your cable. If you have a look in the manual, it'll tell you the optimum length and thickness of the cables you'll need, depending on how far away the system is from the batteries. It'll also tell you which fuses you'll need to protect the units, your vehicle and your batteries. If you're using the D250 SE on its own, you'll need a 30 amp fuse on the starter battery and a 30 amp fuse on the service battery. If you're using the D250 SE and the SmartPass 120S together, or just the SmartPass 120 on its own, you'll need a 300 amp fuse on the starter battery and a 300 amp fuse on the service battery. So when you've picked your location, check the length and thickness of your cables, and checked you've got the right fuses, you're ready to install. There's an installation guide in the instruction manuals which come with the units, or you can download them from www.ctek.com. And if you need any more information, simply email us at info@ctek.se. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.